looks like rich restaurant food, but you only use potatoes, onions and some ham. Start by adding 5 medium chopped potatoes in a saucepan. Then add water until it covers everything. Also add 1 teaspoon of salt and now cover the pan until the potato begins to soften. Meanwhile, add in another pan some oil. 200 grams of ham cut into a smaller piece. Stir a little and then add 1 sliced onion. Let the onion saute with the ham until it loses all the water and begins to brown. This is the ideal point, and book next door. In another pan, add 2 tablespoons of butter or margarine and stir until it begins to melt. With the butter already melted, add 2 tablespoons of wet flour and mix everything very well. Then add 500 ml of milk, gradually adding. To season, I used a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of nutmeg, a little black pepper, and now just mix over low heat until it starts to thicken. On a platter, add the potatoes. Half the white sauce, all ham with onion, the rest of the white sauce, and to finish add 150 grams of grated mozzarella. Now bake at 200 degrees until the cheese melts. And look how amazing this recipe looks. Sincerely, there's no way to resist. Do it at your home that I'm sure everyone will love. A super fast, simple and delicious recipe. I hope you enjoy it. This was another little recipe from the poor in the kitchen. That strong hug. Until the next time, and thanks for watching.